Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to draw twisted pairs of wires in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. Originally this function was intended for making assembly drawings of electronic cables using twisted pairs of wires. However, it can also be used for drawing extension springs when the number requested for the degree of twist is at the upper limit of 85. Other uses include drawing ropes, steel cables, or decorative borders. First, load the Lisp. Enter Upload and choose the Lisp. Type 2, W, I, S, and T, to activate the Lisp. First, select the degree of twist. Then pick the starting point and the ending point.